Guess what this is? That's right. It's a connector, used for connecting pipe ends. We perform 4-axis machining with a vice clamp. First, cut the outline and shape the required arcs. Drill 3 holes in sequence. Thread machine on the inner walls of the holes to create 2 threads. Enlarge and widen the size of the top middle hole. Continue with tool change for further processing. To achieve perfection. Automatic rotation, side hole drilling. Thread machining inside the hole. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Choose manners.